And I'm back. Okay, that was a little too much. I'm back again with another repair. This time we have a switch that needs a charging port replaced. The specific customer said that she put in a random charger on it and it started smoking. And yep, so it looks like it is a little chart in there. See if I can get it in here for you guys. Oops. Not sure y'all can see in here. So it doesn't look half insane, but when I saw it, it didn't look, yeah, like that's not looking particularly great. We're gonna go ahead and swap that out. We'll see how this goes. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Their holiday is filthy AF, like the kids would say. So we are just trying to clean this up a bit before we even get started on this. So let's see what we can do for this one. Hi guys, talk with me. Alright, here we go. So as always, we are gonna start off by adding a little low melt everywhere because you guys know I love my low melt tricks. And I'm hoping she didn't fry anything like E13 or any major ICs. Unfortunately, I don't have a way to test it right now, so I might even have to go the extra mile, take it home and try with my personal dock. Oh, actually no, I have a dock here. What am I talking about?
What can you legitimately do with license plates?
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fight me.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough
He's off in the hills with the goats. Those are his. Rich is a funny guy. Like Western Massachusetts clearly does not, select the government for the state. I'll be honest, when I did that drive through Massachusetts, I was not impressed. So much of this state is really, 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 really old, beat up, bad condition housing and roads, and and they're expensive. And if you're living outside of Boston or Cambridge, you're really missing out on, I don't know, all the giant buildings and all this shit that makes it look like you get a lot of economic opportunity. So I fundamentally don't understand the appeal of Massachusetts as a state. Like, I get it if you're living in Boston or in Cambridge because there's a job that you have there, or you're just into Cambridge for all the weirdness and the weird shit that is there, all the restaurants and the bars and blah, or if you're going to Harvard. But so much of this state seems like it's just based around people driving in to serve people who live in, who go to Harvard or MIT, who live around Cambridge. Like, these roads are absolute trash. I mean, all of these houses that I'm driving by look old.
Alright, gang, so I left it charging for a bit and it is up and running again. Oops. Timed out. There we go. See, it's currently 8%. They'll charge a little more for this customer, but this seems to be good to go. We're going to go ahead and leave it charging for a little bit, add a little thermal paste, seal it up, and call it a day. Thanks y'all for staying put, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Thank you and have a good weekend.